common man from the society. But the point is that if you don't develop the infrastructure in the space, so even you are all good at using your smartphones, and you want to send a message, SMS, MMS, please understand, even that is depending on the satellite communication, which is actually maintaining the transponders in the orbit of the Earth. We know it is actually the output of a satellite which is orbiting around the Earth. So whatever you take regarding digital technologies or IoT, Internet of Things, so everything is actually being handled with the help of those satellites which are kept on the orbit of the Earth. So it is not that we are actually wasting the money, but instead we are forcing into the future what best that we can really do with these technologies and to make our economic power very stronger when compared to other countries. Now the whole picture you have got. Endu pampincham ane daniki two reasons. One entante water detection, second one helium detection. It's only beginning. Now it's only the beginning of the concept. Now the days have to come to address this issue, but from a long perspective by the next generation people. So ఇవన్నీ దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని చంద్రయాన్ 2 పంపించాం. But yesterday how many of you could see the live telecast or webcast? Yeah, probably all got disappointed. That is very true. So 2.1 kilometers height వచ్చేసరికి we lost the communication. Now it is suspected that got crashed, but just benefit what చెప్పేట్టున్నాను. ఈ assistance, ground assistance తీసుకొని Voyager 1 and 2 both were set in 1977. Perhaps none of you were born at that time. Voyager 1 and 2. Still they are working, still they are traveling. Still they are working, still they are traveling. Can somebody tell me how many years are over from 1977 to 2019? 23 plus so 42 years. Now can you imagine any mechanical component which is made by a man, by a human, that continuously works for 40 years. We cannot even think, because even if you take let us say this fan, its lifespan maybe let us say 8 years. And after that it suddenly requires maintenance. AC, projector, the mic, even the shoes what I wear, each one has got its shelf life very differently. Whether true or not. But the another advantage what we call the earth is that ఇక్కడ అది పనిచేయలేదు అనుకోండి, ఫ్యాన్ ఏం చేస్తాం, ఇప్పుడు at least we go for maintenance personality to come and repair it because it is there in our room. But Voyager 1 and 2 they went into the space. Now here if you come to know that there is a problem with Voyager 1, so we cannot go to that, rectify it and then we can come back. ఎందుకంటే 44 years it is still traveling. So the most distant object which is made by humans is Voyager 1. The most distant lander was given enough equipment and scientific support to decide on its own to get landed on the surface of the moon. So ఇంతవరకు ఏ కంట్రీ కూడా చేయలేదు, because ఎన్ని స్పేస్ క్రాఫ్ట్స్ కూడా పంపించినా కూడా either other countries or by India, even India కూడా this is the first time we have done that recipe feat. దానికే మనం అవకాశం ఇచ్చేసాం. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ కూడా వెళ్ళట్లేదు, లాస్ట్ 15 minutes మాత్రం. సో ల్యాండరే అది డిసైడ్ చేసుకుంటుంది. And it will be supported by the orbiter, which was in the sky. So first we get that imagination. Actually, Chandrayaan 2 is 3 parts. What is the first one? Orbiter. Second one, lander. The third one, rover. So the idea is like this: rover will be kept inside the lander, and these two will be kept at the nose of the rocket, nose of the launching rocket. So the idea is to introduce into the orbit of the Earth first. Okay, orbit of the Earth. When orbiter is orbiting around Earth, there are two instruments which are inside. What are they? Lander and then rover. Straight away, check video.
Yes.
Definitely it needs to know what type of surface is actually available on the moon's outer layer. So the government used to say now this photograph at least might be from 25,000 kilometers away from the surface of the moon. చాలా పెద్ద craters. ఎంత పెద్దవంటే కొన్ని believe it or not, the circumference is going to be 150 miles. Circumference 150 miles, and the depth is going to be almost 7 to 25 miles depth. 7 to 25 miles. So అటువంటి craters లో కనుక ల్యాండర్ దిగేసింది అనుకోండి, now it's very difficult to get that one onto the surface of the moon. So the lander was given with two important instruments. One is optical sensing high resolution shooting camera to map the surface and to get that information back to the lander, because it has to decide on its own how to get down on it. Second one is laser altimeter, which is a very powerful instrument which continuously sending the laser beams onto the surface of the moon and get back that beam back to the lander, and based on that to and fro travel, it decides how much time it has taken to go, touch and then come back, and it decides the distance between the lander and the surface of the moon. So each time it sends a laser signal and has to reflect back that signal with a constant amount of time and distance. So laser altimeter ఏం చెప్తుందంటే ల్యాండర్ ఎవ్రీ సెకండ్ కూడా మూన్ సర్ఫేసింగ్ ఇంత దూరంలో ఉంది అని కంటిన్యూస్ గా అప్డేట్ చేస్తుంది ల్యాండర్. ఏమని ఇప్పుడు దిగుతూ ఉంటే 20 కిలోమీటర్స్ హైట్ లో ఉన్నాం మనం ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ లో, ఇంకొకసారి తర్వాత 15 కిలోమీటర్స్, 10 కిలోమీటర్స్, 5 కిలోమీటర్స్, 2 కిలోమీటర్స్, 1 కిలోమీటర్, 800 meters, 500. See, continuously there is a laser altimeter gives the distance information to the lander immediately. But they best చేస్తూ పని చేస్తుంటే ఆప్టికల్ హై రెజల్యూషన్ కెమెరా ఎప్పుడైతే మ్యాప్ చేస్తుందో దాన్ని చూసుకొని ఇది డేటా ఇస్తూ ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ ద డే టైమ్ నౌ. Look at the craters. Was that even? Look at the surface of the moon is not even. Like on Earth. That's only doing it. We are going towards the Milky Way galaxy. And these are our galaxy. So this, if you want to see our Earth gravity in this big system, now it's traveling in the simulation. Watch this. Now the parents are missing visibility, coming into visibility. Now the augmented reality function would be started. That is where we are. So as I was talking yesterday, Earth is just one planet which is orbiting around Sun, and Sun is just one star which is orbiting around the Milky Way galactic center with other 10,000 crores of stars. And like Milky Way, the scientists could find up to now another 10,000 crores of stars. Now the blue dot is actually my iPad position, which is being tracked by the satellite in the space. Blue color dot to iPad interactions. So that is updating my iPad. This iPad is being tracked by the satellites, which is the space. Watch this. Now this Earth is actually orbiting around Sun. And in our solar system, we can see. Yeah, now the Sun is